Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do that, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the Sound section, and then go to the Do Not Disturb. So here you can switch this mode. Also you can access some of its settings here. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, like it could be conversations, calls, messages, like calls from starred contacts only, from contacts only, from anyone, and from nobody. There's also an option allow repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period, this call will be added to exceptions too. The same goes to messages and conversations. You can also add apps to exceptions, and alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and calendar events. You can set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select days on which it will be active, start time and end time of this schedule. You can also set up default duration of Do Not Disturb, and you can also hide sound from notifications, or you can disable sound and visual from notifications, or you can just adjust which kind of notifications you want to enable, which you don't want, and yeah, you can customize it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.